Welcome everyone to DIDX cryptocurrency price prediction for December 2023. Let's discover what's happening on the charts and what is the language of the market with all the probabilities for this great cryptocurrency out there along the way with their very well performing decentralized multifunctional exchange out there that they have. So DIDX, you might be familiar with this one already. It is on the great tops. If I put the ranking on CoinMarketCap based on volume for the past 24 hours, I'm going to click on that. I'll see that DIDX is in the tops. It sits very well right now. It's better on the volume than, Cardano, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and many Polkadot, right? So it sits better than a lot of the cryptocurrencies out there that are very, very popular. Even though the DIDX has a strong volume of $800 million, their exchange, if I click on their cryptocurrency, I'm going to be sort of away. If I go to the exchanges and I look into the decentralized exchange category, I can see basically their exchange volume. It is the first ranked decentralized exchange, far away from Uniswap, which is basically on $1.8 billion volume for the past 24 hours. It has 24% of the market share, and this is insane, guys. So it has been delivering extremely well. Launched back in the day, April 2019. Let's discover more about their crypto. Let's find out what's going on. Make sure to follow me on my main YouTube channel as well, and especially for those of you that are looking towards education in a private one-on-one coaching about trading, how to become a trader, how to perform on the market from beginner to experienced and professional. This is a comprehensive and intensive coaching. Feel free to check around our page and schedule yourself or can lend me a free conversation where I can describe more about it. I'm going to talk about it at the end of the coaching in detail along the way with our trading possibilities. So this is what's going on with the IDX on the Binance Tether USDT. As a comparison, we were going through the crypto winter as usually, dumping the whole markets. Basically, the pattern is the same across the board for all the altcoins. It is no surprise out there that you see the same thing over here, approaching a very good level of accumulation, which starts basically from there. This is a level that was every single time above the dollar. Now, let me tell you something. When this cryptocurrency found support just like here at the dollar, it has pumped 248% in 35 days on a crazy level. So that's 248%, guys, movement. If you would have had $100,000, this would have ended up on $348,000 on spot. No leverage, no margin. On spot, guys, 248% movement on top of your 100,000 adds up another $248,000. So from the dollar mark, it just skyrocketed up to $3.67. At the time, any movement we have been going through around the crypto market, that was beneficial. But back in the day, we have been suppressed and dumped by the 200 days moving average. We have been kept pretty low by that. We also had a very strong, extremely strong supply level, sitting at $3.5, $3.4. We have been rejected on a triple top structure, and then in a quick period of time we have retested and been rejected again. Every time you have been facing major selling pressure coming through from that, minus 55% on 53 days mark. DIDX has been going through the accumulation stage in a very healthy way, especially during this sector right here, which is great to accumulate on that little and short volatility it has. But once the markets were successfully breaking above the 200 days moving average, and you had the environment of the crypto space doing very well, what has happened and what has been going on is we have been pumping above and then retracing back to the lines. So we got basically supported by the moving averages strongly. On top of that, you did the golden breakout between the 50 days and 200 days moving average. So the orange line broke the blue line and it's climbing higher and higher, as you can see it over there. What else is going on is a great market reaction of breaking above a supply level that kept us in the accumulation stage. So officially 2 days ago, we actually opened the doors of bullish rally for the IDX cryptocurrency. keep that thing in mind. Their crypto exchange is becoming more and more popular. It is enjoyed by people, and we're actually looking forward to seeing this one dominating the space in the next bull market. So what about the upcoming levels, especially for December? I would not be scared at all to touch $5. I would not be surprised to see that level touched easily if BTC and Ethereum is not gonna die right now and close the doors of the movements we're actually going through for some of the altcoins. Therefore, $5 from here is not a big deal at all, even though it could be around 25% increase. But at the same time, something that I would not see a big deal as soon as $5 is not going to dump us too much. What I would love to see is a movement towards $5, but then, some zigzag downwards, building up a trending line and a flag effect and breaking out of that. That break out of that should pull us above $5, take the liquidity from the guys that were shorting right to the resistances, take their liquidity, hit their stop losses, hit their liquidations, take them out of the way, and then construct and build again with very clear marks and indications of breakout towards $7 that we have as an extremely healthy target out there for this cryptocurrency. We're looking forward to seeing these two targets hit basically in the upcoming period. At the same time, we need to be careful, because if BTC and Ethereum stops behaving healthy at these levels where it is today, we are not going to have a good time for this altcoin market, and it will suffer. The suffering period is no longer going to be the same like in the accumulation stage, which is a great sign for us. The suffering period is total different, because right now the buying pressure when it steps in, when you are in the bull rally, the buying pressure that steps in every time it's supposed to is major. Compared to the accumulation stages, the buying pressure is minor. And most likely you have a zigzag effect with lack of volatility that is crossing the average index. So it's not anything going out of the limits, the upper limit, the lower limit, and most of the time the markets during those stages are controlled by the bots of market makers and exchanges. So it is just basically moving up and down, creating a little liquidity by hitting the ones with high leverages out of the way and handling the process in that form. On the spot, people accumulate those cryptos and everyone is happy. Now, when it starts moving, any single dump or markdown is being purchased so heavily that you might get surprised how quickly and how fast it can recover from every single little selling pressure appearing. Unless you don't get BTC on a major dump, 20-25%, then you will slow down this altcoin market quite a lot, and it will require up to 2 weeks to recover as a structure and then continue its rally. So there is the variables and probabilities sitting on the table. We need to check out what's happening with the other cryptos as well. But the AIDIDX is sitting very good, guys. It is something that I really enjoy seeing in the way it is today. Beautiful. That's pretty much all on the topic for December 2023. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have questions on the topic, let me know in the comments area. And if you enjoyed this one and find it useful, hit the like button. It helps a lot. At the same time, if you'd like to become a trader, I've been trading since 2014 cryptocurrency. So I'm here doing this out of passion. Make sure to check out the one-on-one coaching program where I'll take you by hand just like I said and teach you how to trade. Especially that we're looking forward preparing for the bull market. This is a pre-bull market rally. It is good to be having the skills and knowledge to maximize your revenue and chance, a unique chance out there to explode basically your financial situation. Every single bull run so far, especially for the ones that I'm working with, and I had as a student more than 300, were just simply telling me that the preparation before the bull run is the most efficient because you get to be experienced with the knowledge at a time it starts. So it's pretty logical. At the same time, like I said, you can, schedule yourself a free conversation with me out there on Calendly page. Links are in the description area and comments area for everything, guys. You can get your resources from there, including for our, trading, complete trading done for you, no prior fee, only commission from the profits achieved. Commission is paid by you. The whole trading goes to API. You give us trading permission. We proceed with trading. And from the profits, you send out a commission. We are also using an AI bot trading to help us perform. That's pretty much all. Looking forward for another videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and follow us. Have a good time. We'll talk to you soon.